Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can increase or decrease flashlight brightness in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, go to the notification area and turn on torch. This is flashlight and you can see flashlight is glowing in the back side. If you want to increase brightness, you can do it. For that, first go to notification area and long press on the brightness, and you will have the option to increase brightness of the torch or flashlight. This is higher level. You can see the higher level brightness. Left side is lower level. If you move to the left side, that will be lower level brightness. So in this way, you can easily increase or decrease brightness level for flashlight or torch in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.